Hello guys, welcome back to Manuzakis. Today we are going to RAK Nature's Treasures. This is a hidden treasure deep inside Ras Al Khaimah. This is a very unique museum. Petting farm, greenhouse, plants, wooden bridges, and also huts to stay overnight. This is a car we saw when we entered, and also the entrance fee is 20 dirhams and 200 dirhams for stayovers. This is coral. First thing you notice in it is lots of rocks in this museum. These are weapons. You can just take a quick tour inside this. And you can also touch these things. When you see it looks like real. Especially this bird. But when you touch inside, it's thermocol inside, but out it's its feathers. See? It looks like real. Also, kids like me and other smaller children love this place because when they come, it's so thrilling for them. Birds, even some birds are outside, and there are like swings, trampolines that they can jump and all. Now let's go to the next area. This is the area of birds, and one of them is outside. They just kept it outside. This is my brother so thrilled to go behind that bird. These are flamingos and peacocks. This is a beautiful art. This is at like almost 6 o'clock. They put on the lights and all. This is a snake. We can hold it in our hands. And my brother was thrilled to go on the slide. This is the slide that I told. And my grandpa also went on the slide. This is the ostrich. Also, when you climb up on the slide, you will see crocodile. There are some viewpoints. And when you come at the correct sunset time, go to the hut that I just showed you now. But at sunset, don't go at night. It won't be beautiful. This area is beautiful at sunset. The heart area, overall, you can see at evening times. This is at 7 o'clock. And this is my brother jumping on the trampoline and having fun. See you next time. Thank you.